Hello friends, welcome back to QGIS. In this video we will learn how to speed up the QGIS processing. If you are feeling your QGIS is very slow, it depends on your system, but you can increase the QGIS speed by doing some tweaking to software settings. So how to do that? Let's get started. First you have to go to setting and option. You will have a option window here. Go to rendering option and check this box, maximum core to use. If you check this box, it will goes to the maximum level of your system processor cores. If you have 4 core, then it will goes to 4 core. If you are using 8 core, 16 core, 20 core or 40 core CPU, it will goes up to that level. First thing you have to check this box. Secondary, if you are using tile services or some WFS WMS services, then you have to increase the cache size. Just do here 7 times 9 and click OK. Now you will see, if you open it again, you will see the maximum size of your cache appears here. And one more thing you have to do, go to acceleration, check this box, enable OpenCL acceleration, and it will show your graphic card. It will show your graphic card here, and this will definitely increase the speed of your QGIS processing. As you see, some of the internal C++ processing core algorithms and render can take advantage of OpenCL compatible device to increase the performance. It is written here. Okay, so do these settings and you will see the change in your QGIS using experience. Okay, if you are using new version, then there is some changes in new version. You will get some different type of options here. If I head towards setting option and go to rendering, here you will see like this GUI is changed here, and you will see here all available force default, increase it to maximum. Similarly, go to network and type here 7 times 9. It will show the maximum cache size. And similarly here acceleration, click on this, you will see the graphic card. If your system have a graphic card, then you will see the here. It will definitely support you. So that's all in this video. Hope you will do these tweakings and your performance will increase. Thank you for watching.